Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a mic and other mounting devices missing from device manager. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the start menu, right click, go to your device manager. After doing this test, select a desktop name, click on Action and scan for hardware changes. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. Go right click on Start menu, go to your device manager. After doing this step, go to your human interference devices, select it, right click on Update Driver. Click on Search Automatic from Drivers. Click on Search from Update Driver from Windows Update. If any update is available, then download and uh, check the updates and download and install in your PC. So after downloading and installing the updates, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that on the start menu, right click, go to your device manager. Select human interface devices, select it, right click on disable driver. So disable the device. After that, right click on enable the device. So after that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.